power takeoff using all 43,000 pounds of thrust, being produced by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, lifted to lightning to off the runway at an amazing 1,500 feet. Captain Kluser will then set up for her first aerobatic maneuver, the flat Cuban 8. Watch as she traces a horizontal figure 8 over the demonstration area.
Lightning 01, clear for takeoff.
Lightning 01 coming clear takeoff. It's showtime!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stand up and get your cameras ready. I present to you the newest, fifth-generation fighter aircraft in the world, your United States Air Force's F-35A Lightning II! God bless our